Hockey? Do you like playing hockey? Mason, do you like hockey? Show me how do you play hockey? Yeah? Show me. Show me how to play hockey.
No.
Okay. Go ahead.
Picture for a moment a little girl or a boy who doesn't know what it's like to just be a child.
Hockey.
Just watch both of his parents.
Hockey. Hockey. Ow! Okay, you gotta hit the ball. Show me how you hit the ball.
Imagine caring for young children when you're still a child yourself.
Yay! Good job.
He thinks about what will become of his younger brothers. He thinks about the mother he's lost.
Good job, buddy.
In the future, there will be.
Whoa. Good job. Can you say I love hockey?
Hockey.
Hockey. Can you say I love hockey? I love hockey. Ah, you hit me. Oh. Hey. Hey. No checking your mother.
Hockey.
Hockey. Hockey. Hockey.
Hockey.